chances are you've been watching Formula 1 qualifying for a while now, but if one was to ask you to explain it, well, you suddenly develop Alzheimer's about why the drivers get desperate about setting fast lap times. So in this video, I'll be breaking down everything about qualifying, from how many qualifying sessions and the amount of time allotted for each to what a fast lap is. So let's begin. I'm Medrick, by the way. For Q1, a team is allocated for qualifying and drivers get to choose how many times they can try to set a fast lap time. But at the end of Q1, the slowest 5 drivers are disqualified automatically and they will start the race based on the lap time they set during Q1. In Q2, 50 minutes are allocated for qualifying, and also at the end of the session, the slowest 5 drivers get disqualified from proceeding to Q3, leaving us with just 10 drivers for the final qualifying session, which is Q3. With just 12 minutes for the session, the fastest driver gets to start in pole during the race. The pole position can change based on the direction of turn 1 in order to favor the race leader. Red flags happen during the qualifying session, and as such, drivers are advised to start their flying lap early enough before someone let's not call name, decides to, crash into the barrier or, God forbid, catch flames. Given that Q1 is scheduled for 18 minutes, Q2 for 15 minutes, and Q3 for 12 minutes, the total time allotted for qualifying in F1 is 45 minutes, just like a half in a football match. In qualifying, 2 drivers can set the same identical lap time, and in such cases, the driver who sets it first leads the order. We had it happen at the Canadian Grand Prix this year when Osama bin Russell and Supermax set the same lap time in Q3. Now, no point is given for qualifying, but during the race, the driver with the fastest lap gets a point added to his World Championship tally. Yes, drivers can hit qualify for the preaching rules, and lap times get interviewed for track limits. Lewis Hamilton holds the record for the fastest ever qualifying time in F1 currently, and he set it at the Lightning Quick track at Monza.